In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to make your browser easier on the eyes, especially if you're browsing late at night or just prefer a darker look across your tabs and menus. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots icon. This is the Settings and More menu. From that menu, click Settings. When the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand side or the main options area and select Appearance. This is where you can change how Edge looks on your device. Inside the Appearance section, find the option labeled Overall Appearance. You should see choices like Light, Dark, or System Default. To turn on dark mode, simply select Dark. As soon as you choose it, Microsoft Edge will switch to the darker theme, and you'll notice the browser interface change right away. Your tabs, menus, and settings pages should now appear in dark mode, giving you a more comfortable viewing experience. If you ever want to change it back, just return to the same appearance settings and switch it to Light or System Default. And that's all there is to it. You've now enabled dark mode in Microsoft Edge in seconds. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.